In this video, I will gonna show you how you can make extra money every single day for doing nothing.
By just opening an email, which is one of the easiest ways to make money online. How to do it? We're about to find out. People from all over the world cash out actual PayPal earnings on this website. And don't forget, I'll be giving special bonus tips that will allow you to earn double or even triple more money compared to other people. First and foremost, receive daily paid emails delivered straight to your mailbox. Next is quick payment processing within just 24 hours. They also offer a low $15 payout limit, which means you can start cashing out your earnings once you hit the minimum threshold of $15. Joining is completely free, and if you activate your account, you'll receive a free $3 sign-up bonus. I'd like you to go to this website, paid2read-email.com. So your paid-to-read email account is now active and has been credited with the $3 sign-up bonus. As you can see, this is a completely new account. As you can see here in cash surveys, each completed survey can reward you 35 cents to $1. There are three main categories as a result of this. Number 1, your surveys which you have unlimited access to. The second category, opinion surveys, which is also unlimited. For the third category, Donata surveys, which have a maximum of 10 surveys. In this video, we're not going to spend too much time on that. As promised, here is a bonus tip to help maximize your earnings on this website. When you log into your account every day, make sure you complete all of the Donata surveys, which are limited to 10 surveys. By doing so, you can earn $5 easily. After that, you'll be able to access an unlimited number of surveys that pay you up to $5 per survey. So the final stream of income is simply opening emails. So you only need to open the email, read it, and then click on the link or image, which will then take you to a random site, as you can see here. Sometimes they'll give you instructions on what to do while you're in the site, but most of the time, you don't have to do anything. So just stay on the site for at least 30 seconds. Staying for 30 seconds verifies that you're a human and not a robot. So right now, I'm going to open another email sent by the website and click on the link to go to a random site. I don't have to care about the actual content of the email, I just have to open it and click on the link to go to a random site. I don't actually have to do anything, as you can see. I'll only be here for 30 seconds, after which I'll be able to earn money, which will then be deposited straight into my account. You can see that yourself by going back to your dashboard. Under the quick stats, you can see your total cash. One very crucial thing to remember is that when you go to a random site, all you have to do is scroll down to the bottom and back up to the top. That's all you have to do, and then wait till the 30 seconds are up.
Don't go away, because in this video here,
For you to discover how to earn $63 per hour with Google News, which is one of the best ways to make money online.